In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the SASPAC app for your school on an Android device. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to install it using Google Chrome, and then I'm going to show you how to install it using Microsoft Edge. On your Android device, open Google Chrome, and in the address bar at the top, type in the address the school has provided you. In my case, it will be hi.saspac.online. That hi will be replaced by the name of the school or an abbreviation of the school. Once you've entered the address, tap on Go in the bottom right. This will load the app in the browser, and an option to install it on your phone will pop up. If it doesn't, click on the three dots at the top right, and you'll see an option that says Add to Home Screen. Select that option and then click on Install. This will add an icon to your phone's desktop or your phone's home screen for the app. There you can see SASPAC app has been installed on this Android device. Now I'm going to show you how to install the app using Microsoft Edge. Open up Microsoft Edge, enter the same URL or address, and once the app is opened, click on the three bars on the bottom right. On the bottom section that opens up, page to the right, and you will see an option that says Add to Phone. Select that option. It will ask you if you want to install the app. You can click on Install and then click on Add. This will add the SASPAC app to your home screen, as displayed on the screen at the moment.